Hey guys, it's Jocelyn here with Jackson. Stop it, with Jackson. Being a butthead, and then Julia, and then me. Messy hair. Okay,
let's just start the video.
So we're gonna open up these Play-Doh surprises. You could see my last stop. Make sure you like it. You could watch my last two videos. My last one, Play-Doh surprises. Like that one, and then Jocelyn's faces. You should like that one.
And here's the
Stop it, Jackson.
And
the last one, we opened all those squinkies.
Yeah.
And these, like I said, these have squinkies in them. Well, let's get started. Jax, you can open this. I'll set them out.
Sorry.
Jackson,
Hey, I want to open this one. Can I open this one? Yes, you can open that
Here,
one.
does everyone have four?
What's it? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, well, I guess I get an extra. And Jackson, you get one less than
No, actually you get.
I get one extra. So first, I'll open one of mine.
Then mine, then Julia's, then Jocelyn, then mine, then
Okay.
Julia's. So it's going this way. Hey, Hans, you don't get one.
Look at that! It's the little guy. It's the guy from Tangled.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Yep. Can you open mine, please? Mine first. Then mine. Then yours.
Yes. Well, let's just go. Julia, you want to open yours? So Elsa. Hans is here. Elena and Sven. Oops. Julia, come on.
Open one of yours.
No, let's just go to Jackson. She's being too slow. She's going to open a red one.
Oh. Here's our little girl.
Oh, okay.
So
he got a little girl with a blue hat and some yellow hair and a blue dress and purple shoes.
Yep.
Oh, did Kristoff come to join us?
No, he's sleepy.
Well, Julie, gonna open one?
Yep. Yeah. Oh, a super pretty horse.
Oh, I so wanted one of those. That's still mine. Call it.
No.
Okay, so we got this horse with a bone. Can't really see, but she has dots back here. Like molded into her.
Now it's Jocelyn's turn.
Now I'm gonna open another one.
Hey, I have two.
So we got a bluish turquoise mouse
Oh, I like
with
that horse.
some pink ears and some yellow cheese.
Yeah. Aww.
A pile. Put yours in the pile. Where's your extra Play-Doh?
Okay, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, but...
So it's a pink pig.
Hey, oh no, you didn't leave me.
So adorable.
Get back!
Julia? Oh, Kristoff is here. I'm going to open one for Julia.
No, I want to open it.
No, too late.
I think. Open it. No.
It's a squirrel.
Yep, and little
Cool.
tiny squirrel.
So it's a chipmunk, can you hand that to me?
Ah!
So it's its face. Elsa, why'd you do to it? You froze its face.
Yeah, thanks.
How dare you?
Can't move
Dare you? Okay, so it has a little nut in its hand. It's yellow and has this kind of brown hair.
Yep, I was open. Jocelyn now.
Then we're going to open that.
Now Jocelyn have one to wake me. Oh, we'll do tiny.
Oh, another little piglet.
Let's
So
put
it
it
has
by
yellow little hands. Yeah,
Let's put it by.
Let's put it by its sister.
Yeah.
Where'd you get, Jackson?
A little tiny mouse again.
Oh, we got another mouse. In the last video, we got a pink mouse.
Yeah, I saw 3 mouses.
Nice. So it has pink cheese, pink ears, and a purple fur.
Yep. And let's try. Yeah, that's got. Oh,
Okay.
and here's the other ones. Us have
Julie,
one.
want to open yours? We're all open
They're
it for
all
you.
hugging it.
Open. Hey, you open it or I will.
Oh, well. What is it?
A big pig, a mama pig,
Oh,
so
another one.
there's a piglet's mom.
2 of them.
We opened one in the last video. It has a little heart on it. That's so cute. And finally, the last one.
Yeah. I want the Play-Doh. I want the white Play-Doh. Here.
Drum roll, please. And it's clear. Look at that. A clear one. Looks like a tiger, but it's just clear. That is amazing.
Yeah, it's a carrot.
My two favorite ones, horse and clear, throughout all my videos. Well, there's all my videos. I hope you guys enjoy them. Say bye, Jackson.
Bye.
Bye, Julia. Bye to Messy Hairdo Girl. Yeah. Say bye, Squinkies.
Bye, Swinkies.